Okay, Twiggy. You know, I've seen this and read about it. I haven't seen it done actually, but taking the cheeks off of fish.
Right.
What do you have to have? An extremely sharp, small knife?
Sharp knife. They make a special knife, but I do real well with this one here. But they have a cheek knife too.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, you just
this is the
make
same
a cut down under. Just missed the gill thing here.
Yeah.
The mouth. Cut it over and then peel it with your thumb, and it'll leave the skin on there, and just a little
bit of an oyster there.
Well, it depends what type of fish. Salmon's a lot bigger, but you can any type, and it's really a delicacy.
All right.
They're really super good. You'll be trying them, so.
We'll find out how that tastes in not too long.
Nancy, we have several different ways you're going to show me here for fixing walleye. Some of your favorite recipes? What do we have first?
Well, first we have just the most basic one, which is egg and milk.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Show me, you show me.
First of all, we just break the egg into the bowl.
One, is that large or extra large?
That's pretty extra large, I think.
Okay, good. An extra large egg.
Beat the egg, add a little milk.
How much?
Oh, a little bit more. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay, so it looks about like so.
Just so it's white, almost like you're fixing French toast.
All right, now we have some flour, about, what, maybe a cup or so of flour?
Pancake flour.
Pancake flour.
And to that we add a little pepper.
Okay, how much?
Oh, just enough that
You
it's
wanna
lightly
dump it?
coated.
You
No,
wanna
don't dump it.
Oh, no dump it?
Just sprinkle it. There you go.
I love pepper.
Well, let's not, remember,
well,
some people don't.
I know, they don't.
Just enough to color it.
And what is this?
This is seasoned salt. Plain salt's fine. Either one. And again, just lightly sprinkle it.
Not too much.
Not too much.
You want me to shake this up?
Please.
This is fun. Okay, now, our fillets here of walleye.
Okay, just dip it right here in the milk and egg.
Milk and egg.
Make sure it's well coated.
This is the basic,
This is the basic
down-home, country boy, country girl recipe.
Right. The kind Mom always fixed.
All right, this is how to do it. If you haven't done
And
walleye
just
this
shake
way.
them up.
Shake them up like that. Oops. Now, reach down in here and get that fillet. And that's how it's done. And put this in what? Fry it in
It's ready to go in either hot oil or bacon grease.
what? Okay. Now let's get down here.
Right. If you
What
like
do
a
we have
little
here?
Oriental taste, you just marinate in teriyaki sauce.
How about soy sauce? Would that work?
And that as well.
Oh.
The teriyaki
Okay.
sauce is readily available in all the markets.
Now, how long do you marinate it?
About half an hour.
And then what?
Then you just fry it in hot butter.
No spices?
Nothing else.
Can't wait to try that. That sounds good. Now we have the delicacy that we saw Twiggy preparing here, the fish cheeks. What do you do with cheeks?
Okay, now this is a recipe I stole from our neighbor.
Uh-oh.
And Pete and Ronna have been fixing them for us.
Pete, we'll be honest?
And that's the fella.
Well.
And you simply melt your butter. And because we're limited in what we are able to carry with us, we have to put a little variation. But you dump salad herbs.
Salad herbs, okay.
Salad herbs, they're the mixed herbs.
Go
Seasoned
ahead and dump
pepper.
a minute. Let's see how many you put in here.
Okay,
That's in...
just enough, I like
Okay.
that.
Now, seasoned?
Seasoned pepper.
Is that like lemon pepper, or...?
It would be better if we had lemon salt. This happens to be seasoned pepper.
Okay, about the same amount there. And this is your...
This is
Blending
nature
of-
seasoning, a blending, right? And any good blending of seasonings.
That
When
has
not like
garlic
this.
in it.
Right, and just do it to taste.
So you just mix that around. and you
Mix
get
it
this-
around.
Get it going on the stove and then put these in
Right.
unbreaded?
Unbreaded.
Okay. Well, come in and we'll get a look at these here, because this is what we're going to see right now in the frying pan. Okay, Nancy, that looks really good. These are the cheeks.
These are the cheeks. You just simply put them in the butter and wait until they're cooked through.
How long do you cook them?
Just a few minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay. Terrific. Now, let's move up here to the, this is our pancake flour.
Right, and that's just Grandma's recipe. Just drop it into
Dip the fillet and egg into seasoned pancake flour.
Right.
Right down there. Oh, it's starting to bubble. Now we're going to go to the beer batter, and you can put the beer batter in the same...
You can do it in the same pan.
Okay, and this is hot oil. Oh, look at that. Which do you prefer?
I like them every way.
Do you?
Yes.
It's hard to go wrong on walleye, I'll tell you.
It's just
Well.
a matter of, if when you eat them every day, you have to keep changing your recipe.
Okay, we're going to keep our eye on these because we want these hot enough when they flake with the fork, probably, well, I'd say 3 to 5 minutes.
And it's really best if you let them fry completely on one side before you turn them.
Now, teriyaki sauce marinated for how long?
About 20 minutes to half an hour.
Okay.
They can stay longer, but they're good after that length of time.
Put in the butter here.
That's
Should this
right.
butter be a little hotter?
It really should. Maybe we can switch a pan around here.
Okay, well, we'll do that in a second.
Okay.
But this is how it's done, teriyaki sauce and butter, our pancake flour, our beer batter, and our fish cheeks. Boy,
Right.
this is going to make a scrumptious meal.
I hope so.
It's tough to beat walleye for the table, and it's tough to beat Nancy Nichols' recipes. Walleye Grand Slam is what we have here on page 9 of the digest. 4 recipes, including one for beer batter.